Hi everyone, before I share with you guys this fun project, I want to firstly thank you all for joining me, and I would also like to welcome all of my new subscribers here to my channel as well. So this fun project is using a 6x6 paper, and it's a cute little 3x3 mini flipbook for your outgoing snail mailing or to add to your Happy Mail package. This flipbook also has two pockets inside where you can add your goodies, your note, or whatever you like into those two pockets. I did do a couple of other videos previously using a 6x6 paper and different ways you can make your flipbooks, and so I'm just going to show you quickly what they look like, and then I'll show you how to make this one with a tutorial as well. So in my other video, this is one of the ones that I'd made using a 6x6 paper. But opening it up, you've got this page here that you can embellish or add some pockets to it. The next page here has your top pocket, and I've got in here some packaged goodies in there. So that's how this one looks like. And then the other one is this one here. It's another 3x3 flipbook as well. And I've got a pocket here on this side where I'll put some die cuts in there. And the next page also has a double plain page where you can embellish it, and it has a side pocket on this side. So that's the difference with this one. You get the side pocket, and this one here you get a top pocket. And I'll put the links down below for these two projects with the tutorial as well. And these great projects are perfect for those that are beginners to Happy Mail or new to crafting, because you don't need a scoreboard, and it's also a great way for you to get started if you are into Happy Mailing as well. So this one here is the one we're going to make today. It's got two pockets instead of the one pocket like the previous one. And it has here a cute little pom-pom charm dangle that I've made, and I've used that as a closure for the little cute flip book. So that's how it looks like. I have this listed in my store as well if you wanted to purchase one of these. It's really cute, and it's also great to add to your traveler's notebook as well, or to your planners. So that's that. And I also have these cute little die cuts that I'll also have in my store listed there for you as well. So this one here, I've got a blank page that I embellished on this side, and this side here has the two pockets. And I've got in the front pocket just some die cuts in here, and then I've also placed a cute little envelope, really cute tiny one, that I've embellished the front and used one of my word sentiments. I have these in my store. You get a random pack of different pretty prints as well, and this one here measures 2 inches by 1.5 inches, and it's also a great little spot for you to add some goodies in there. I also have the smaller size in my store as well, which is this one here, and this one here measures 1.5 inches by 1 inch. So tiny, you can see how small that is. And this one also, you get a random pack as well. So there's two different sizes. So I'll just put that on that side. So just to show you, this was your front pocket here, and then you get another pocket at the back, which is this side there. And I've got in there this cute little tiny pocket with a couple of tags. And also I will have this listed in my store as well for this cute little pocket. You just need to assemble it because it comes flat when you receive it, and it has some score lines. You just need to follow the score lines, and then you'll be able to create this cute little pocket as well. And you get a random pack of these, a random pack of prints as well for you. So that will be in my store. And then these are just some packaged goodies in there that I have added to it. So they're the two little pockets, and then I've just decorated the side of the flip book with one of my tab dies as well, which I also have there in my store. Now the good thing with these, you can also use your 6x6 paper. If you have the envelope punch board, you can make a 3x4 envelope, and then it will be a great little place for you to add your cute little 3x3 flip book as well. So then it's just ready for you to pack. So that's another great way to use your 6x6 paper. You can make the envelope and then also a cute little flip book to go with it. So I'm going to show you how to make this one if you wanted to make one of these. So what you need is you will need a piece of 6x6 paper. I'm just going to move that to the side. And what we're going to do is you're just going to simply fold that in half one way, and then we're going to turn it and also then fold it the other way as well in half. So you'll get 4 squares. And what we're going to do here is we're going to grab your scissors and we're going to cut along this score line on the left side just up to the center. So we'll just cut that at the score line just to the middle. So you'll have those 2 flaps there. And then what we're going to do here, the right panel here, we're going to grab the corner and we're going to bring that over and we're going to fold it down, and we are going to just fold it about 1/4 of an inch away from that fold line. So you just press that down at about a 1/4 of an inch. So you'll have it as a gap there between that score line, about a 1/4 of an inch. Just going to press that down. Make sure you press all of your fold creases down well with your bone folder. We're going to go down to this bottom square here. We're going to bring this corner up and we're only going to fold it about halfway over. So about there. So I'm not too sure, that's probably about an inch from that fold line if you just wanted to have a look. So that's the shape you want your paper to look like. And then you're going to grab some glue. We're going to open up this top part here. We're just going to apply some glue just along the part where we folded, just up to that fold line. We're going to then fold that down and press it down and glue that down. We're going to then open this one here and we're going to do the same and put some glue to this corner just up to that fold line and bring that over and press that down. Alright, so that is how your page should look like. And then we're going to turn this over this way. We're going to apply a small amount of glue just below that fold line, just a little bit, just like that, just below that fold line and just up to that fold line. And then we're going to bring this bottom part up and then we'll seal that off, lining it all up and sealing that off where we put that glue. And that will give you this pocket here. Oh, sorry, just before we do that, we're just going to put a little bit of glue to this little bit here as well, which I forgot. Just a little bit of glue there. That will just keep your pocket closed. So I'll bring that back up and then lining that up. So pressing that down and then press that little bit down. So that gives you that pocket there. And this one here, we're going to bring that forward and that will be your front page. And now we'll turn this over this way and we are going to put glue along here and along the bottom. So I'm just going to put some glue along the side here and then along the bottom here. You can use your double-sided tape if you would like to do that. And then we're going to bring this side, or you can go this way, actually we'll go this way. Bring this over and we are going to then seal that over and press along where we just put that glue. And that will give you the back pocket there, and then that will come in the front and that's your front cover. So another easy project for you to make a cute little mini flipbook. So I'll just bring this one over so you can see. So that's your cover, and then you get your pocket in the front here, just like I've got up here, and then you have another back pocket there and another pocket there. You can, if you want to, put glue there if you want to and keep that sealed, but I like to keep that part open so you've got more room to add your goodies in there. And then all you do is embellish it, add all the goodies that you like in there. If you wanted to add one of these cute little tabs, you can purchase these from my store. You get a pack of 30 of different prints, and then you can place that on the side here if you wanted to. And that is all there is to this cute little double pocket 3x3 flip book using your 6x6 paper. You can use different other size paper if you wanted to make larger size flip books with these ones. All you need to do is just making sure that your paper is a square piece, and then you just fold it in half again, and then just follow the steps to make the different pockets for your flip books. So I do hope you enjoy this fun tutorial, and again, thank you everyone for joining me, and to all of my new subscribers. I will see you in my next video. Bye.